Singapore is one of the busiest maritime hubs in the world, and its status as a global trade powerhouse is indisputable. The island nation owes much of its economic prosperity to its bustling port, which is not just a vital part of its economy, but also a beacon of advanced infrastructure, cutting-edge technology, and strategic foresight. However, despite its success, Singapore is not resting on its laurels. The country is boldly pushing the boundaries of maritime logistics with the creation of the Tuas Mega Port, a game-changing, next-generation facility designed to ensure its continued dominance in global trade. This ambitious project is set to redefine the future of port management, automation, sustainability, and global trade itself. The origins of Singapore's maritime success. Singapore's journey toward becoming a global maritime hub dates back to the 19th century. The British, recognizing Singapore's strategic location along important trade routes, established the island as a key trading post in Southeast Asia. Singapore's natural harbor and access to international shipping routes made it an ideal location for a port, a quality that was enhanced further with the opening of the Suez Canal in 1869. This shorter route to the east made Singapore's port a prime stopover for vessels, cementing its place as a vital trade center. After Singapore gained independence in 1965, its economic vision evolved. Lacking natural resources and land, the country realized that its maritime industry had to be at the heart of its economic growth. Over the years, Singapore capitalized on its strategic location and a business-friendly environment characterized by low taxes and minimal restrictions on capital to attract investments, both foreign and local. By the 1980s, the nation was experiencing some of the highest economic growth rates globally, with its port becoming the busiest in the world in terms of shipping tonnage. The rise of Tuas Mega Port. While Singapore has long been a leader in maritime trade, the need to modernize and scale its port capabilities in response to rising global demand for goods and shipping services has become a pressing necessity. This drive for innovation led to the conception of the Tuas Mega Port, which began construction in 2015. The port will consolidate the country's existing terminals into one super efficient facility that will not only increase capacity, but also provide a futuristic model for port operations worldwide. The Tuas Mega Port is an ambitious project divided into 4 main phases, with construction expected to be completed by 2040. Phase 1, which started in 2015, focused heavily on land reclamation to extend the port and connect various port activities. Incredibly, the amount of reclaimed land exceeds the size of Monaco, with the development of an 8.5-kilometer seawall to protect against rising sea levels. The seabed was deepened to accommodate larger vessels, ensuring that the port would be able to handle modern megaships, a crucial factor for staying competitive in the world of global trade. A smart port of the future. When fully operational, Tuas Mega Port will be a game changer in the world of maritime logistics. It will be the world's largest fully automated container terminal, with a capacity that will dwarf existing ports. This visionary project aims to increase the handling capacity from the current 40 million 20-foot equivalent units to a staggering 65 million 20-foot equivalent units by 2040. The port will be able to accommodate 66 operational berths, spread over a sprawling area nearly as large as Los Angeles International Airport. While it will continue to be a hub of economic activity, the sheer scale of the project is only part of what makes Tuas Mega Port so impressive. The port will also be a technological marvel, embracing full automation to streamline operations and reduce human error. The Tuas Mega Port will feature state-of-the-art technology designed to revolutionize how ports operate. Automated cranes, unmanned drones, and exoskeleton-wearing workers will be integral to the port's operations. These advanced systems will work in harmony to ensure the port is as efficient and productive as possible. For example, automated 12-story cranes will be used for heavy lifting inside container yards, while unmanned aerial drones will assist in inspections and ship-to-shore deliveries. Additionally, autonomous transport vehicles will move containers from the yard to the wharf, enhancing speed and safety while reducing the need for human labor in hazardous environments. Perhaps the most intriguing aspect of the Tuas Mega Port's automation strategy is its focus on human safety and job improvement. Despite the high degree of automation, the port will continue to employ skilled workers, albeit in roles that prioritize oversight, management, and technical proficiency. Operators will utilize augmented reality smart glasses for remote, real-time diagnostics and troubleshooting. Workers will also be equipped with exoskeletons that help them handle heavy physical tasks while protecting them from injury. Sustainability at the core. In addition to its ambitious technological goals, Tuas Mega Port will set a new standard for environmental sustainability in port operations. One of the most striking features of the port will be its focus on reducing carbon emissions. By using electric vehicles and machinery instead of diesel-powered equipment, the port aims to cut its carbon emissions by up to 50%. The ultimate goal is to achieve net zero emissions by 2050, a significant step forward in the battle against climate change. Sustainability will also be embedded in the port's infrastructure. The Tuas Mega Port plans to incorporate green buildings that will generate solar energy and reduce the traditional energy load of port operations. This eco-friendly approach will ensure that the port remains a beacon of innovation, not just in terms of its operational capacity, but also in its commitment to the environment, automation, employment, and future prospects. While automation is one of the cornerstones of Tuas Mega Port's design, it also presents an opportunity to rethink the relationship between technology and labor. Singapore is keen to ensure that automation will not simply replace jobs, but enhance the nature of work at the port. By shifting toward more skilled, high-tech roles, the port aims to create better job opportunities for workers. The use of virtual reality training systems, for instance, will help prepare employees for new tasks and provide them with the skills needed to thrive in a more tech-oriented environment. The automation strategy at Tuas Mega Port will also increase productivity and reduce human errors, ultimately leading to faster and more efficient operations. This transformation will have a profound impact not just on the port itself, but on the broader maritime sector. With global trade becoming increasingly reliant on automation and technological innovation, Singapore is positioning itself at the forefront of the future of maritime logistics. The future of global trade and Singapore's economic growth. Tuas Mega Port is more than just a regional project. It has the potential to influence the global maritime industry. By consolidating multiple terminals into a single, cutting-edge facility, Singapore is ensuring that it will remain a central player in the global supply chain for years to come. The port's deepened seabeds, automated systems, and sustainability initiatives will provide a model for ports around the world to emulate, especially as the demand for containerized shipping continues to grow. Container shipping is responsible for transporting more than 80% of global trade, making ports essential to national and global economies. Singapore's strategic location, coupled with the innovations at Tuas Mega Port, will solidify the country's position as one of the top maritime players in the world. As the port expands its capacity and automates its operations, Singapore's influence on the global trade network will only continue to grow. If you enjoyed learning about the incredible transformation happening at Singapore's Tuas Mega Port, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fascinating insights into the future of global trade, technology, and innovation. Got thoughts on the Tuas Mega Port or automation in ports? Drop a comment below. We'd love to hear your take on how this mega project will shape the world of shipping and logistics. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.